All right, so if you're thinking about starting a high-ticket dropshipping business right now, you just have to understand things have changed. Google Merchant Center no longer approves new stores. They're pretty much slapping every new store with misrepresentation suspensions. They are not allowing people to run Google Shopping ads that have new stores anymore, unfortunately. So it's just something that we've been dealing with for the last 5 or 6 years. And nowadays, we have a new method that works really, really good, and it involves building out a high-ticket B2B bulk order request funnel. And what you do then is you run cold email outreach to businesses. And using Claude, you can build out these funnels really good. Or if you want my help, I can build them out for you. Go to ecommerceparadise.com and go to the top where it says funnels and click that. You can see our offer. And what you can do is build out a page where it's just a landing page and it has all the information people need to fill out and basically pre-qualify them to tell you what exactly they're looking for. And then once they do that, it's really easy to just get on a call with them and or email back and forth between you and the supplier. And then you just talk to them and get a quote, generated, make sure there's inventory, find a discount or like price match or something, or even you can raise the prices if you want. But yeah, basically you can sell these super high ticket products and you can sell these big bulk orders of different products. You can sell packages of products this way. It works really, really good. And by featuring this funnel, this landing page prominently on your homepage, in your header and your footer, throughout the different pages of your website and the collections and all that stuff. Anybody who happens to land in your website through organic traffic to check out your catalog will then see that you have a opportunity for them to submit a form for a bulk or just a quote request for a bulk order or like a package order, something like that, to get custom information. Or maybe they can just call you or email you right away or live chat with you. Some people like to do that too. So it really, really works really well. And basically the way you set up the system is you use Claude to start by doing the research. So you know your industry, you'll really easily be able to find the leads, and the businesses that are in your industry are the ones that are going to buy from you. So, for example, if you're doing e-bike store, you got to look at different, businesses that could use e-bikes for their business, so you just research all these different types of businesses, and Claude can do that research for you. It'll tell you exactly who these types of businesses are, and then it can go out and find those businesses for you in all these different locations. They're usually physical businesses, right? So they're all tons of different locations, different cities across, wherever your market happens to be. And then you find their email, and Claude can go to their website and get their email. And then if it can't, then you can use other tools that scrape emails from websites like hunter.io or Apollo. There's lots of different tools you can use. But basically, you want to build out a Google Sheet. And Google Sheets are really easy to build. You'll just have a few columns, a column for name, a column for the email, and then a column maybe for the type of business or something like that. Basically, you're going to be using that Google Sheet to personalize your emails. So anything that you want to personalize emails with, you can build columns for and have Claude add that information into it. And by the way, you'll be using Claude Cowork. And if you want to use Claude and get a free trial, go to ecommerceparadise.com/Claude, CLAUDE. Go check that out. All right. So, Google Sheet, Claude, does your research, and then you're going to sign up for a tool called GMass. If you want a free trial, go to ecommerceparadise.com/GMass, GMASS. It is a extension that you plug into Google Chrome, and it will then work with your Gmail. And you should sign up for a Google Workspace if you don't already, to have a business email, professional business email. You can send way more emails from business email accounts than you can from Gmail accounts. So do that. ecommerceparadise.com/Google Workspace. If you haven't done that yet, get that. And it's very inexpensive. And with GMass, you have these opportunities to basically create these emails where, you can do auto follow-ups, and you can verify the email is correct before you send it, and you can do a lot of different stuff. So GMass has tons of tutorials and makes it really easy to do. And you can also send emails to your entire list on a Google Sheet at once using GMass, which is the best thing, because then you're not stuck sending one email at a time. It can also schedule out the emails to send at the best times a day, and it can also schedule them to send over time, so they're not all sent at once. So it looks more like natural sending, so it doesn't wind up in spam. And this is, again, all done through Gmail. So it's a very inexpensive system. Claude, at its very peak, if you're doing a ton of research and a ton of outreach and all this stuff and a ton of content, Claude will cost you $200 a month. That's very max. But for $20 a month, you can have it done a lot. And for $100 a month, you can have it done even more. 200 gives you pretty much almost unlimited usage. Google Sheets is free with a Google Workspace account, and with Gmail account, GMass is $39 a month. And of course, Gmail comes with Google Workspace as well. So for about $150 a month on average, give or take, you can have a really, really amazing cold email outreach system built to reach out to businesses in your industry that are your ideal clients, and then you'll be able to pitch them on products and get their attention and just see if they're in the market to buy what you're looking for. Now, keep in mind with cold email outreach, a lot of people aren't going to be in the market at that particular time, but some people will. So it's all a numbers game. So it's just huge volume, thousands and thousands of emails every single day. And you can, again, just have Claude do the research, plug it into Google Sheets. GMass will then, shoot out to a whole new list, every single day. So you can have it do fresh researches every single day, fresh emails every single day. And then people will start responding back. Okay. And then you have to do the back and forth with them. And it's just all about negotiations, sales, and solution selling, and just finding out what they need and seeing if there's something you could do. And I definitely highly recommend using a email tool. Like Claude can help you with your email, but there's also other email tools out there that can help you go through your emails and automatically respond to your emails. It'll help you with that. Or just hire a VA and train them on your business and all that stuff and what you offer to close these sales for you. But AI can do almost all this stuff now, so you don't even really need a VA. But yeah, this is the whole system we use to, number one, get suppliers in the first place. And then number two, to be able to actually find your clients, your best ideal high ticket bulk order, package order clients. Now, I do still recommend doing SEO, a lot of content on your website that targets the keywords, the people that are your ideal clients will be typing in to find your services and your bulk order services and whatnot. And doing a lot of content and also doing a lot of outreach to blogs to get link exchanges done and to get backlinks. Now, normally backlinks cost a lot of money, but if you set up an affiliate program for your site and then do outreach and you offer them an affiliate program, a lot of these bloggers will just put your stuff up for free because they have incentive. And so you can set up an affiliate program with UpPromote. I highly recommend using them because they're one of the best out there and they have an affiliate marketplace built in. UpPromote. You can go to ecommerceparadise.com/uppromote, sign up. And so basically having an affiliate program set up with them is going to give you access to an affiliate marketplace. You can also reach out to anybody who ranks for the keyword best high ticket affiliate programs and get your, get your store added to the listicle. Have a listicle inclusion done, and you'll be added to their listicle, and then you're going to show up in the LLMs for all these different affiliates that are searching for affiliate programs to sign up for. So that's such a great way just to get out there and get lots of backlinks, get lots of affiliates to put your links onto other sites as well, and it just magnifies. And you can also run press releases and stuff like that, and set up Web 2.0 profiles like Medium and Quora and Reddit and whatnot, and just get a lot of backlinks and post a lot of content to your site. It really helps get a lot of organic traffic, and the LLMs will pick that up, and you'll get a lot of traffic that way too. And eventually, you'll start generating a lot of people going to your website, looking through your catalogs and stuff like that. And some people that want to bulk order stuff are going to just do it. They're just going to bulk order from you, and they're going to find that funnel, they're going to submit it, and you're going to get these like 10, 20, 30, $50,000 orders that are like 20, 30% margins. And it's just such a great business model because, you'll need payment processing to work with them, maybe financing providers, things like that. But oftentimes these businesses are used to paying with wire transfers, especially if you work with government institutions. They usually always pay with wire transfers. So you have the money up front and then you just pay the supplier and the supplier delivers it. You might have to do a bit more back and forth. You might have to, arrange the service of installation or assembly when you get to it. But this process of, actually having a funnel built out and doing cold email outreach to get your ideal clients, your best high ticket, highest margin orders. This is something that costs way less than running paid ads, and is something you can do consistently for a very low cost. using AI and software, and even probably just like a project management VA. If you just train a human being helping you manage all this stuff on a daily basis. And and then your trouble is going to be, what do I do with all these leads and all these sales that are coming in? Now I have to manage all this stuff, and then you got to hire a VA to manage all this stuff for you and help you manage it and stuff. So cold email outreach is definitely one of the things that most new high-ticket dropshipping entrepreneurs skip, and it's definitely one of the biggest opportunities out there. It's just all about volume, and it's all about iterating as you go. Your pitch, and how you talk to these people and how you come off and all that stuff really matters, makes a big difference. So definitely change over time and adjust and improve. Don't just like continue with the same thing over and over again. You obviously want to improve your pitch over time. But yeah, some of the best ways to get in touch with people also is to get a warm introduction. It's tough to build trust with somebody if they haven't met you yet. So it's always good to try to find somebody that they know and get that person to introduce you, or just reference somebody that they know in the email that you send them. If you can research that person and find out, other people that they know, for example, and reference them, or even just referencing, specifics about the business and their competitors, for example, will at least make it seem like you know what you're talking about and that you care about their business, that you've researched them a lot already, and that you want to help them solve their problems, whatever that happens to be for your particular products. And then you can go beyond this. You can offer services, you can offer extended warranties, you can offer lots of upsells and cross sells and all sorts of stuff. So definitely consider it. Cold email outreach for high ticket dropshipping. If you want us to do it for you, or if you want to get more information, go to ecommerceparadise.com/scaling. That's our service sale page where you can get that information. If you're interested in starting an e-commerce business with high ticket dropshipping and you want our help, go to ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey. And if you are interested in this business model, you just don't know what you want to sell yet, go get our free niches list at ecommerceparadise.com/niches. And everything else is at ecommerceparadise.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.